Hi everyone. Thank you for coming today. Today, we would like to talk about the tip and trick that we have done at the university for increasing the chance of getting higher when we apply the job. Yeah. First of all, my name is Lamin Gogo. I am an undergraduate university student, majoring in electronics and communication engineering at Myanmar Institute of Information Technology. And I am an open-minded and creative person. And right now, I am currently working as part of the IT team at Open for Dogo. Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Nyein. I'm a final year student from Manly Technological University. I'm now currently volunteering as AI teacher at the Band Hub, and I have worked as an intern at Open for Dogo, and I'm now currently working as a team member of IT team at Open for Dogo. This is the agenda for today, like the tips and tricks we are going to tell you. Okay, the first one is joining the student society. Because by joining the student society, you will gain a lot of soft skills like communication, leadership, teamwork, like that, and you will also expand your network. And in this way, like you can add the experiences to your resume. Like this will be very helpful to you when you apply for a job, like as a fresher. So joining the student society will be so much helpful for you. Okay, let's go to the next one. And volunteering is another thing you can gain experiences and expand your network. So you can learn new skill and you will gain experiences, and you will also expand your network while volunteering for an organization, and you will become a part of community. Most importantly, you are doing and giving something back to the community by volunteering, and you can add your volunteering experiences to your resume. And I think this will really help you to to build your resume. And right now, in Myanmar, I see a lot of organizations are calling for volunteer for various positions. So for the IT sector as well, like I see a lot of like volunteer calls. So even if you're not from the IT background, you can apply to those volunteering positions and you can gain experience and you will get something to put on your resume. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to another one. And the third one is attending the workshop. Like you guys are attending this event now, I think I recommend to attend the workshops or event that are related to your career interests, because workshops are the best opportunity to meet people who share the same interests, knowledge and passion with you. So you will get networking opportunity, and who knows, like the people you met at a workshop like can bring job opportunity to you, or like you will be doing some projects with the people you met at an event after the event, like that, and you will get motivated and inspired to work better when you attend the workshop. And in the workshops, you will get some, how do I say, you will get your skill will be much better after attending the workshops. Yeah. So like the third thing we would like to recommend is attending the workshop. And this one is all about practicing, because coding is all about practice. So these are the things we would like to recommend you when you practice your design language. First of all, we would like you to start from the basic. So learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript first, and then pick a language. We have, as you know, we have a variety of choice like PHP, Python, Java, C#, .NET, and so on. So pick a language. After you finish the basics, pick a language and choose your path. Like as yourself, if you want to be a front-end developer, backend, or full stack, like as yourself, and then Like the third one is related to the second one. Like if you want to be a front-end developer, pick a language that is used in the front end. If you want to be a backend one, pick a language that is used in the backend, like that. And after that, you need to learn the databases to, like we have like a lot of databases, but choose one, like MySQL, Oracle, or MongoDB, or we have a lot SQL, NoSQL. So choose one and learn the database. After that, learn the frameworks. I import framework at the last because if you really know the language, and then like learning the framework is much easier for you. And the last one is be consistent. So I would like to recommend you to make a study plan of your own, and set goals. Like how much you will study for a day, and then write your daily goal, weekly goal, and monthly goal. After that, like think about it. What do you want to build after this week, after this month, like that? In this way, I think you can practice your design language. And the rest of the presentation will be done by Lamin Coco.
Yeah, thank you. In this slide, I would like to talk about the building the own project or creating own project. Yeah, because creating and building the own project is another way to increase the chance of getting higher after we finish the university. Like when I was at the university, I thought that I wanted to get a job immediately when I finished the university without many experience. So like that, I created own project because having the own project is the ways like having the experience about our career. So that is why I also created and built my own project. And another one is the portfolio, because when we apply for job, if we have a portfolio, and that we will be impressed by HR, we will be selected for the next step, like interview step. So that is why if we have a portfolio, I think we will have a better chance of being higher than those who don't have a portfolio. Like so, in this slide, I also mentioned some of my portfolio and some kind of my projects that I have done at the universities. So I wanted to recommend everyone. So whatever you are from IT background or not, I think you need to build your own project or own portfolio based on your career. This is another way to increase the chance of getting higher when you apply the job. Yeah. Another one is participating in competition. Yeah. From participating in competition, we gain a lot of experience and knowledge, and sometimes we have improved our technical skill, like that. So when I was at the university, I participated in many competitions that were hosted by university or others. Like I also mentioned two competitions. Those are the things that my favorite memorable moment when I was at the university. They are like Robotian competition and WID awards competition. For Robotian competition, actually I'm not from computer science major. My major is electronic and communication engineering. So that is why I also know some experience about the robotic. Yeah, it is a robotic competition between ID University in Myanmar that was hosted by Federation of Myanmar Engineering Society in 2019. And fortunately, I am my team won the first runner-up in this competition. Yeah, from participating this competition, I think I gain a lot of knowledge, experience. Like I know how to work with other people. I also know how to manage my debt between many people, and I think some of my technical skills have improved. Yeah, and another competition is WID awards competition. Yeah, it is a website competition right now. Okay, right now it is related to my career, like IT career. So I think the purpose of this content is to support Myanmar youth who have the innovative talent and who want to challenge with new technology and who want to learn web design in daily life and trying to create the brighter future of Myanmar. Yeah, I love them. And from participating in this competition, I also know how to make the beautiful website design, beautiful layout design, and responsive design. Like so, that is why having those kind of experience and knowledge is another way to increase the chance of getting higher when we apply the job after the university. Yeah. The next one is okay. The next one is language proficiency. It is one of the important things because it is one of the important thing. Yeah, because when I was at the university, I only thought about that. I want to get a job at the foreign company. Like so, so I think I need to improve my language skill. Like especially English, because English is an international language with 20% of the world's population speaking English as a native second or foreign language. So that is why I think today not only the foreign community but also our Myanmar local community usually use the English as the main language. Yeah, main language. And yeah, I also know that some of my friends at the university will learn about not only the English but also like other language like Japanese and Chinese. Yeah. So, but for me, I mainly focus on improving my English skill when I was at the university because it is an international language. So I wanted to recommend everyone please do be on provision or language skill based on your interested or based on your career or based on your interested community. Like for example, if you want to get a job at the Japanese company like that, so I think you will need to improve in not only the English but also like the Japanese community, Japanese language. So because they will hire you if you know where Japanese language. So that is why language proficiency is another way to increase the chance of getting higher when we apply the job. Yeah. Another one, this is the last one, like building the CV form and creating the CV form. It is very, very important because when we apply the job, in the first time, we need to submit our cover letter and submit CV form to the company that we hire, that we apply. And the next step is, I think we will be selected for the next interview stage on base looking our CV form. That is why it's very important. Yeah. Yeah. When I was at the school, university, I thought some of my senior member always told me like that. They were rejected for the interview. Like interview. I asked them why. I think they always tell that they don't have good project portfolio and good proper CV form. That is why I also prepared and created my own project CV portfolio and CV form when I was at the university. Yeah, so I have created my own CV form based on these three categories. The first one is implement good format structure. Like it means that there are 4 titles at my CV form. They are like my introduction, my education, my experience, and my skill. Yeah, I think those 4 skills are the basic thing that we need to put on every CV form. Like me, an accredited university student. Yeah, but if you have more experience and more title, you can add and you can put on your CV form. Yeah, I also added my own project and my CV form like under my experience title. Yeah, because I don't have many experience, but I have my own project. So like I said, having the own project is the way of like having the experience about our career. Yeah. The next one is be sure to put nice photo. Yeah, I have always I have seen some CV form like there's no proper photo or the applicant. Yeah, so I think this is another way of rejection for those CV form. Yeah, at the point of HRP, I think when they saw the like CV form, there's no proper photo of the applicant. I think they will say like, what is that? They will not know who you are. So that is why we need to put the proper photo or proper of your photo on the CV form. Yeah. And the last one is beautiful layout design. Okay. For example, if you are you created a USB form is created like a web format structure, and there's also a photo or your photo on your CV form. I bet the design look like the A4 paper, like plain text paper. There's no interesting part for the HR. So when you applying the company, so I think this is not good idea for to create the CV design. So I think we need to make the beautiful layout design for the CV. So I also create those kind of pretty CV on using some website and web application like Canva, Indeed, and LinkedIn. I think you can find the beautiful layout template design on Canva, ready-made template design, and you can find and you can make your CV form. I also know. I think you can also know how to make a good CV form on website like Indeed and LinkedIn, and you will know about that. So I also recommend everyone. So if you want to make a beautiful good layout design, like CV design, and you need to check like those kind of website and application. Yeah, I think this is our presentation, and we have presented all of our tip and trick that we have done at the university for getting higher, for increasing to get the chance of the getting higher when we apply the job. So I think everyone will get it. And if you have any question, yeah, feel free to ask me. Yeah, thank you.